Hey, I'm Russ.
And I'm Ronnie Cope. And welcome to our newest listing at 2622 Toledo Avenue in Santa Clara.
This is a great property featuring 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,340 square feet of living space, gleaming hardwood floors throughout, nicely updated kitchen, and separated living and dining areas.
In addition to this gorgeous turnkey interior, this home has a beautiful covered patio, barbecue and bar, as well as a plush green lawn and a large fire pit.
This is a great home all around. Plus, a bonus feature, your own access to a neighborhood park from the comfort of your own backyard.
Follow us in.
Thank you for touring with us today.
If you have any questions or would like to book a private tour, contact us directly.
We look forward to seeing you.